A fabricator is hired to make 27-foot long solid metal railing for the stairs at the local library. The railing is molded by the diagram below. The railing is 2.5 inches high and 2.5 inches wide and is comprised of a rectangular prism and a half cylinder. How much metal to the nearest cubic inch will the railing contain? So we're trying to find the volume of metal that this railing will contain. And notice that this railing is comprised of, and it says it in the description as well, it's made up of a rectangular prism as well as a half cylinder. So I'm going to draw out those two things here. So I have a rectangular prism and a half cylinder. They will have some dimensions that are similar and then have some dimensions that are very, very different. So the width of this rectangular prism is 2.5. The length of this is 27 feet. However, because the units do not match, I have to make the units consistent. The width is 2.5 inches. I need to convert the 27 feet into inches. So I'm going to multiply 27 feet by 12 inches because there is 12 inches to a foot. Now the next thing here, and this is really interesting, we have this composite figure. I'm looking at the railing here from this end. I'm going to use a thicker marker here. From this end, looking directly at it. And what I see then is this shape where I have a rectangle and a semicircle connected together. So the dimensions here, okay, the width is 2.5 inches. That's the width. The overall height is 2.5 inches. Well, if that's the case, and I know that the radius then, right, is supposed to be half of the diameter here, which the diameter is being shared with the rectangle below, the radius then must equal to half of 2.5. That must be 1.25 inches. So that means if the radius is 1.25 inch, then that means the remaining height of this rectangle must therefore be 2.5 minus 1.25, and that would be 1.25 yet again. Right? So the rectangular prism that I'm trying to find the dimensions of will have a height of 1.25, a width of 2.5, and a depth of 27 times 12. Looking at this, now that I have all the dimensions figured out, I'm just going to label the semi-cylinder as well. The semi-cylinder will have a radius of, again, 1.25 and a depth of 27 times 12. And again, all of these are in inches. So I'm going to find the volume of the rectangular prism first. The volume of the rectangular prism is going to be 1.25 times 2.5 times 27 times 12. I will need to add this with the area of the semicircle, right? The volume of a semi-cylinder will be 1/2 pi r squared times h. So here it will be, I will need to take 1/2 of pi times the radius of the semi-cylinder, right, which is 1.25 squared, times, again, the depth or the height of the semi-cylinder, which is 27 times 12. And this is what I'm going to be entering into the calculator. So I will take my calculator now. And I want to do 1.25 times 2.5 times 27 times 12. So those will be the this will be the volume of the rectangular prism. I will need to add this with 0.5 times pi times the radius, which is 1.25 squared, times 27 times 12. And that will give me 1807.7. So the total volume then, 1807.7. The question answer says to round to the nearest cubic inch. That would give me approximately 1808 inches cubed. And that would be option 3.